Islam stands for in this regard. The teachings of Islam are based essentially on the Quran, God's revelation, and Hadith elaboration by Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam. The Quran and the Hadith, properly and unbiasedly understood, provide us the who is the King of the King and Lord of the Lord. Respected teachers, honorable set on the throne of judgment, judges, and dear friends. Today in this nice competition, I just like to elaborate my thoughts on the topic, the status of women in Islam. Dear audience, the status of women in society is neither a new issue, nor is it a fully settled on. The position of Islam on this issue has been among the subjects presented to the Western world with the least objectivity. This speech is intended to provide a brief and authentic what Islam stands for in this regard. The teachings of Islam are based essentially on the Quran, God's revelation, and Hadith elaboration by Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam. The Quran and the Hadith, properly and unbiasedly understood, provide the impression for any position or way which is attributed to Islam. The speech starts with a series of summaries in the pre-Islamic era. It then focuses on this major question: what is the position of Islam regarding the status of women in society? How similar or different is that position from the secret of the time, which was dominant when Islam was revealed? How does this compare with the rights which were finally gained by women in recent decades? Dear audience, criticizing the attitudes of such parents who reject their female children, the Quran states, Almighty Allah said in the noble Quran, وَإِذَا بُشِّرَ أَحَدُهُمْ, when the news is brought to one of them, بِالْأُنْثَى ظَلَّ وَجْهُهُ مُسْوَدًّا وَهُوَ كَظِيمٌ, of the birth of female child, he is face darkness, he is filled with inward grief. يَتَوَارَى مِنَ الْقَوْمِ مِنْ سُوءِ مَا بُشِّرَ بِهِ, with shame does he hide himself from his people because the bad news he has heard. أَيُمْسِكُهُ عَلَى هُونٍ, shall he retain her on sufferance and contempt? أَنْ يَدُسُّهُ فِي التُّرَابِ, or bury her in the dust? أَلَا سَاءَ مَا يَحْكُمُونَ, what an evil choice they decide on. Dear audience, the status of women in Islam, sometime like mother, sometime like daughter, sometime like wife, sometime like sister, sometime like paternal aunt, sometime like maternal aunts. Almighty Allah said in the noble Quran, حُرِّمَتْ عَلَيْكُمْ أُمَّهَاتُكُمْ, prohibited for you, your mother, وَبَنَاتُكُمْ, and your daughters, وَأَخَوَاتُكُمْ, and your sister, وَعَمَّاتُكُمْ, and your paternal aunts, وَخَالَاتُكُمْ, and your maternal aunts, وَبَنَاتُ الْأَخِ, and daughter of brother, وَبَنَاتُ الْأُخْتِ, and daughter of sister, وَأُمَّهَاتُكُمُ اللَّاتِي أَرْضَعْنَكُمْ, and your mother who settled, وَأَخَوَاتُكُمُ الرَّضَاعَ مِنَ الرَّضَاعَ, and your sister through settling. The history of Muslim is rich with women of great achievements in all walks of life from as early as the 7th century. With this, I finish my speech. Thank you very much.